Price Analysis 730, BTC, ETH, BNB, ADA, XRP, DOGE, DOT, UNI, BCH, LTC. Bitcoin, BTC, and most major altcoins seem to be faltering near their respective overhead resistance levels. This suggests that some investors are continuing to sell at higher levels. However, 21st Paradigm co-founder Dylan LeClaire said that on-chain data shows big transfer volumes from over-the-counter, OTC, desks over the last week. Cointelegraph also recently highlighted a historic 57,000 BTC outflow from exchanges on July 28. Econometrics also cited on-chain data to show that whales and small fish accumulated Bitcoin when the price recovered from $29,400 to over $40,800 this week. Daily Cryptocurrency Market Performance. Source, Coin360. Institutional investors are also not to be left behind in their plans to accumulate more Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, which holds about 105,085 Bitcoin, said in its second quarter report that the company intends to deploy additional capital into a digital asset strategy. Wealthfront, a popular U.S.-based robo-investment firm $25 billion in assets under management, announced that it would allow its clients to allocate up to 10% of their portfolio into Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust and the Grayscale Ethereum Trust. With demand increasing from small investors and high-net-worth individuals, will cryptocurrencies stage a sharper recovery? Let's study the charts of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to find out. BTC/USDT. Bitcoin formed a doji candlestick pattern on July 29, indicating indecision among the bulls and the bears near the $40,000 mark. That uncertainty briefly resolved to the downside, and if the price does not hold its recent surge above $40,000, the price could drop to $36,670. BTC/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading View. The moving averages have completed a bullish crossover and the Relative Strength Index, RSI, is in the positive zone, indicating that bulls have the upper hand. If the price rebounds off $36,670, it will suggest that bulls have flipped this level into support. The buyers will then again try to push the price above the overhead resistance zone at $41,330 to $42,451.67. This may not be easy because bears will try to defend this zone aggressively. If the price turns down from the zone, the BTC/USDT pair could remain range-bound between $36,670 and $42,451.67 for a few more days. A breakout and close above $42,451.67 will suggest the start of a new uptrend. The bears will be back in the driver's seat if they can sink the price back below the moving averages. ETH/USDT. Ether, ETH, reached the downtrend line today, but the bears are defending the resistance aggressively. The price could now drop to $2,200 where buyers may step in and arrest the correction. ETH/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading View. The moving averages have completed a bullish crossover and the RSI is in the positive territory, suggesting that bulls have the upper hand. If the price rebounds off the 20-day exponential moving average, the bulls will again try to thrust the price above the downtrend line. If they succeed, the ETH/USDT pair could rise to $2,600 and then to $3,000. This positive view will invalidate if the price turns down from the current level and breaks below the moving averages. Such a move could sink the price to $2,000 and next to $1,728.74. BNB/USDT. The bulls pushed Binance Coin, BNB, above the 50-day simple moving average, $310, on July 29, but they could not challenge the overhead resistance at $340. This suggests that buying dries up at higher levels. BNB/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading View. The bears will now try to take advantage of the lack of demand to pull the price below the 20-day EMA, $305. A break of this support could result in a drop to the trend line and next to the July 20th low at $254.52. On the contrary, if the price rebounds off the 20-day EMA, it will suggest buying on dips. The bulls will then make one more attempt to clear the overhead resistance at $340. If they pull it off, the BNB/USDT pair could rise to $379 and next to $400. ADA/USDT. The failure of the bulls to drive Cardano's ADA price above the 50-day SMA $1.32, indicates that bears are aggressively defending the resistance. ADA/USDT Daily Chart. Source: Trading View. If the price breaks below the 20-day EMA, $1.25, short-term traders may close their positions, and that could drag the price down to $1.10 and later to $1. A break below $1 could result in long liquidation. On the other hand, if the price rebounds off the 20-day EMA, the bulls will again try to push the price above the downtrend line. If that happens, the DOGE/USDT pair could rise to $1.50, where bears may again mount a stiff resistance. XRP/USDT. The bulls have failed to push XRP above the 75 cents level for the past 2 days, which suggests that bears are defending this level aggressively. XRP/USDT Daily Chart. Source: Trading View. The moving averages are on the verge of a bullish crossover and the RSI is in the positive territory, indicating that bulls have the upper hand. If bulls do not allow the price to break below the 20-day EMA, 64 cents, the XRP/USDT pair may rise above 75 cents. That will complete a double bottom pattern, clearing the path for a possible rally to $1.07. This positive view will invalidate if the price turns down and plummets below the moving averages. The bears will then try to pull the price to 59 cents and then to 50 cents. Such a move will indicate that the range-bound action may continue for a few more days. DOGE/USDT. The bears have been defending the 21 cents resistance for the past few days, but a minor positive is that bulls have not given up much ground. This suggests that buyers are not closing their positions as they anticipate Dogecoin, DOGE, to move up. DOGE/USDT Daily Chart. Source: Trading View. The flat 20-day EMA, 20 cents, and the RSI above 45 suggest a balance between supply and demand. This balance will tilt in favor of the bulls if they can push and sustain the price above the 50-day SMA, 23 cents. That may clear the path for a rally to 28 cents and then 33 cents. Conversely, if the price turns down from the current level and breaks below 18 cents, the DOGE/USDT pair may drop to 15 cents. This is an important level for the bulls to defend because if it gives way, the pair may witness panic selling and drop to 10 cents. DOT/USDT. The bulls pushed Polkadot, DOT, above the 20-day EMA, $14.15, on July 27, but they have not been able to clear the hurdle at the 50-day SMA, $16.05. This suggests that demand dries up at higher levels. DOT/USDT Daily Chart. Source: Trading View. The price has turned down from the 50-day SMA today, and the bears will now try to sink the DOT/USDT pair below the 20-day EMA. If they manage to do that, the pair could drop to $13. A break below this support could sink the pair to $10.37. Contrary to this assumption, if the price rebounds off the 20-day EMA, the bulls will again attempt to push the price above the overhead resistance at $16.93. If that happens, it will suggest a change in the short-term trend. The pair could then start its journey to $20 and later to $26.50. UNI/USDT. The bulls are attempting to push Uniswap, UNI, above the downtrend line, but the long wick on the day's candlestick suggests that bears have other plans. UNI/USDT Daily Chart. Source: Trading View. If the price turns down from the current level but stays above the 20-day EMA, $18.50, it will indicate that bulls are buying on dips. That will improve the likelihood of a break above the downtrend line, invalidating the descending triangle pattern. The UNI/USDT pair could then rise to $24, and if this level is crossed, the up move may reach $30. Conversely, if bears pull the price below the moving averages, the pair may decline to $17.24 and then to the critical support at $13. Related: who takes gold in the crypto and blockchain Olympics? BCH/USDT. Bitcoin Cash, BCH, is facing stiff resistance at $546.83. This suggests that bears are attempting to defend the resistance of the range and extend the consolidation for a few more days. BCH/USDT Daily Chart. Source: Trading View. If bears pull the price below the moving averages, the BCH/USDT pair could witness further selling and drop to $441.17. A break below this level will open the doors for a further slide to the critical support at $383.53. On the other hand, If bulls do not allow the price to drop below the moving averages, it will enhance the prospects of a break above $546.83. If that happens, the double bottom pattern will complete and the BCH/USDT pair could start its journey toward the target objective at $710.13. LTC/USDT. Although bulls pushed Litecoin, LTC, above the 50-day SMA, $137, on July 28, they could not clear the hurdle at the overhead resistance at $146.54. This indicates that bears have not yet given up. LTC/USDT Daily Chart. Source, Trading, View. If sellers pull the price below the 20-day EMA, $130, the LTC/USDT pair could start its downward journey to the critical support at $103.83. Such a move will indicate that the pair may remain range-bound for a few more days. Alternatively, if the price rebounds off the 20-day EMA, the bulls will make one more attempt to push the price above $146.54. If they succeed, the pair will complete a double bottom pattern, which has a target objective at $189.25. The views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph. Every investment and trading move involves risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. Market data is provided by HitBTC Exchange.